Hello friends and followers. This video will show you how the Ftt Pro service works. What is Ftt Pro? In advance, before the trade is executed, we post in the Ftt Pro section of our Discord server the important intraday and swing support and resistance zones that we trade depending on the opportunity. The Ftt Pro service consists of a team of professional traders who perform intraday market analysis for you on an almost daily basis, selecting the best trading opportunities on the major forex pairs, indices and commodity markets. How it works. In the Trading Ideas channel, we will post an idea for a trade. After the trade has been executed, you will find an evaluation of the trade in the Trade Overview channel. Let's start from the beginning and illustrate this with a gold market trade idea for November 27, 2023. Hello friends and followers. This video will show you how the pyramid strategy works. The trade is based on the setup we have posted on our Discord server in the Trading Ideas section. Yes, that's how all the videos we post on our YouTube channel start. But what comes before? How do we do it? I would like to mention that we have been trading for a long time and have seen all the pitfalls that lurk in the markets. All of us in the 5000 trading team are professional traders and have been trading extensively for over 15 years. We have thousands of hours of charting experience and have executed thousands of trades. It's true that our strategies help us a lot when trading, but you still need to be prepared and have the right insight for each trade. So let's take a look at this trade that took place in the gold market. Why was a long position chosen? Why was the take profit price targeted at this level? Let's go back in time and look at what preceded this decision. Let's start with probably the most important aspect that led to the decision to go long. The 27th is the last trading day for the December futures contract and the 28th will see more volume in the new February contract. Volume is still quite high in the December contract as well, but all the big institutions will move to the February contract very quickly. Options are reaching their expiration dates. So there's nothing to wait for here. It is very common for gold to go long as it rolls over to the new contract. As an added bonus, the last month of December is approaching. It tends to be the most volatile month of the year and who wouldn't want to have a nice Christmas, am I right? Now let's look at the chart. This is a daily chart of gold futures for the December contract. The market is in an uptrend and has several pivot highs ahead of it, above which there is an area of expected high liquidity. The market likes to grab liquidity and move from one volume area to another. The first logical barrier set by accumulated volume is right here. It is the volume point of control for the entire rotation period from 20 March to the 10th of May. With the current December contract due to expire soon, and the current price on the chart not too far from several areas of previous significant trading volume, there is a high probability that the market will move into untested areas of liquidity where traders with long positions will find a counterparty. In the market profile visualization, you can see that the rising value areas have rebounded sharply from the previous value area on the 24th. In most cases these values overlap, but here you can see a very aggressive move higher, indicating a predictably long market sentiment. This is a 4-hour time frame chart with our order flow visualization. Here you can see the full rotation on the 27th and 28th of November. Note that none of the 4-hour candles have a negative delta. The whole rotation is very positive. This is another piece of the puzzle to the planned long position. It doesn't happen very often that a trader opens a position where the market then doesn't go in the opposite direction at all and goes straight to the level with the profit target. Occasionally, of course, it does. But thanks to our strategies, there's not much need to worry about that. They can really absorb a significant retracement. Here in the bookmap platform, the test of the top of the single on the 4-hour chart and the vigorous rejection of the price can be seen very clearly. By the time the big players start placing their limit orders at higher prices, you'll have all the pieces in place to confirm that you're on the right side. We already know how our trade turned out, so let's take a look at the pyramid strategy trade itself. So it happened again, this trade ended in a profit. Just like most of the previous trades, because we had an insight into the market. We had an idea. We had a strategy. And these are all aspects that you need to have a profitable trade. If you know what you're doing and you have everything you need to trade, then it is easy trading. The amount of profit is so high because we are showing everything on a $200,000 account and risking $2,500 per trade. That's a lot of money and not everyone can afford to trade with that much money on their real accounts. But this is very realistic when trading with a demo account, which is considered a real funded trading account. Yes, we are talking about trading on real accounts. Only risk capital should be used for trading, which is the amount of money you can afford to lose and still maintain your standard of living. Not everyone can afford to put $200,000 of real money into an account and trade. Not even us. So how is it possible for us to trade with such real accounts? Would you also like to have a trading account of $200,000? Or $400,000? $600,000? $800,000? $1 million? The possibilities are almost limitless. Now you probably think this is some kind of joke. That it's unrealistic? That you can't have a real trading account with hundreds of thousands of dollars? If we had been talking about this a few years ago, we would have laughed at it, but in this day and age of prop firms, it's actually more realistic than you think. Don't risk your own money when trading. Take advantage of this great opportunity and you can have real trading accounts you never dreamed of. Just choose your prop firm and try it out like we did. Most prop firms offer trading accounts funded with tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars for a fee. It's all done in the form of a challenge, and when you complete it, you get a funded trading account. The bigger the account, the bigger the fee. The challenge has certain rules that you have to adhere to. And if you pass the challenge, the fee will be refunded to you. This means you get a funded trading account for free. And you take no risk at all. If you fail the challenge, the prop firm keeps the fee and you can try again for another fee, if you wish. Passing a challenge is not easy, but our strategies and trading ideas can help you do it. For example, for a fee of around $300 you can get a funded trading account worth $50,000. Well, you can't withdraw $50,000 to your bank account, but you can trade that account and if you make a profit, you can ask for a payout, which is usually about 80% of the profit you made. Just check the internet for prop firms and you will find that having accounts worth several $100,000 is very realistic and this could be your path to a profitable trading for living. Don't risk your own capital, but trade through a prop firm without any risk. We do not recommend any particular prop firm. We have no commercial relationship with any prop firm. The choice of prop firm is yours. Get familiar with the rules to pass a challenge. Check other people's reviews to see if they have received payouts. Check that the company is licensed. The way we did it was to try a smaller account first and if everything was going well, we gradually worked our way up to larger accounts. Who is Ftt Pro for? For anyone who wants to make money trading the financial markets. Experienced traders will discover the magic of our unique strategies that they won't find anywhere else in the world. Novice traders can ease their way to success and look over our shoulders for trading ideas. We won't make you a millionaire overnight, but we will show you the way. Join us and become part of the 5,000 trading community. Our strategies and ideas shall help you find your way to profitable trading.